Welcome, Aquaba, to Danny's channel. I've arrived. Yes. I'm here at Jamaica Village, and you don't know I am shooting the one and only Makeda. Unfortunately, her husband popped out, had some rounds to do, so Makeda. I suspected that in the event that would happen, I already told you that I hope to have a one-on-one with her, and she is going to, honor me with such. Right here, we have heard names called Tuck Shop. Yeah, different names. But, Makeda, what you call your little space right here?
Well, this is a Wi Sinting, straight out of Jamaica. Welcome, Dan. It's been a while.
Yes.
You've been promising to come.
Yeah.
Give thanks, you're finally here. So
Yes.
welcome, man. Welcome,
Thank you. So, Wi Ting, you said, right?
Wi Sinting.
Wi Sinting.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
In English, we will say, because the Jamaicans, we love to drop our little dialect, we move from the vernacular or patois, we own it. But I will say Wi Sinting means it's our own.
It's our own.
It's our own. Makeda, tell us exactly what you have on offer in here and who passes by.
All right. Well, this is one of our quiet days, really. Today is Thursday, and we are preparing for the weekend because on Saturday we have what we call Wi Sinting, every Saturday Sinting, where we offer, the Jamaican style ital soup, different types, and we have wraps. We also try to make some of the wraps unique, sometimes rice and beans. This weekend it's actually ackee and fried plantain and callaloo inside the wrap with fresh veggies, So we change it up to keep it interesting. This actually only started 2 weeks ago. I've been in operation here doing this particular part of Jamaica Village because this is just one aspect of Jamaica Village, and I've been doing this for 4 years, normally I keep a Saturday Sunday event on the end of the month, and I'm just now really getting ready for a little expansion because getting staff is an issue, really getting staff is an issue. So it took me this long to get to this point where I can even operate on a bigger scale every Saturday. But normally every day we open, we have natural juices, and most of them they're from our property. We grow our cherries, our red plum, all those things we brought with us from Jamaica. We have our pineapples, we have our soursop, tamarind, so much more. And so we have juices on a regular basis. And I'm also just introducing, when you get outside or if you look on the wall, you can see vegetable patty. We're trying to get this available every day, that any day you come, you'll be able to get at least patty juice and some amount of pastry, right? So today, as I said, I'm preparing. I would have been in the back if you hadn't come, getting ready for the weekend, getting ready to do more pastries. I do a variety of pastries. I do sweet potato pudding, we do gizadas, we do cinnamon roll, plantain tarts. Basically, not just only Jamaican pastry, but a little from other parts of the Caribbean and the world in general, chocolate cakes, lemon cakes, all natural, no eggs, no dairy. We don't use anything like that, just strictly fruit-based or plant-based products that we do here. So, okay, let me take you to the shelf. We also do our honey. We have honey, which we have my husband is doing the beekeeping, so we have the apiary across the road. So this is our product.
One sec right here, Makeda. When we finish, get the pen and paper, right? Because I come here for do like a grocery shopping. I'm here to pick up some items. And honey, I am a honey girl, so I need the honey. Okay. And this is
we have it
authentically Jamaica Village, correct?
Correct.
Awesome.
Correct. We have larger sizes. So if you want to, like you're in Accra, you want to get a bigger size, the gallon or the half gallon. We also like this wheat is local grown wheat. I don't grow it myself, but I get it from other people who grow it and grind it and make 100% wheat flour. And brown sugar we also get from a company that sources the brown sugar, just to have it as an item that people might be interested in. We also have soya chunks.
I need chunks because I already told you already.
Right.
I'm a vegetarian and I'm doing mostly beans. By the way, my kid, I fall in love with Ghana's red. I don't glide yet, and I really have it pretty often. Yeah.
We are going to actually do a fusion day with Jamaica Ghana dishes because my girls grew up here.
Yes.
They know a lot of the Ghanaian dishes, but of course we Jamaicanize them and vegetarianize them.
No problem.
Understand? So our red is excellent. I mean, we're not so generous on the oil. You understand?
Okay, understood. So this is your chunks over here.
Yes.
Veggie chunks.
Soya chunks, soya mince. Yeah, we just source them and package them. But
when you say source them, it's from Ghana, local?
Yes. There are people that have them that we get it from and just package.
Okay.
Then we have old time little bush, we have to have serasi as Jamaican, anything good for your belly. Then we have our cinnamon leaves for those who have to make them porridge and ting, you know how that go. Right. So then
moving on over here.
Over here we have cornmeal. This is our production as well. We grow the corn, we grind it, we package.
Wow.
Yeah. This is fonio. This is actually almost like a new superfood. That is actually an ancient Ghana grain in the north that they said before the advent of the Chinese rice. Fonio was one of the grains that our ancestors used to use. It is somewhat between couscous and turn corn meal.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes, so that's it there for, a substitute for rice. Right. Then we have couscous. Couscous is from North Africa. So it's an imported item, but people use it.
Yeah, I tend to say right now, from it come from the continent of Africa, we're good.
Yes.
We're good.
Right. So I have here whole nutmeg.
Yeah.
Orange peel powder. We have quite a few orange trees. And so when I peel them, I save them and make powder from them. I normally do lemon. I'm out of the lemon too. I normally do the lemon peel powder. And we also have peppers and we grind them. Ginger as well. This ginger sticks we get from a farm in Takrady. And the powder as well. Yeah. Then herbs and spices like an all-purpose spice, which is made by me with a combination of herbs, rosemary, thyme, and other things that we grow. Then I do the jerk spice. The pimento is actually I wouldn't say it's not in Ghana. I've heard that the pimento is here, locally grown. We went to Aburi Gardens and we saw the tree because, the pimento is supposed to be indigenous to Jamaica.
Okay, interesting.
Yes.
No, I didn't know that.
Yes. So when I came with a large quantity of it, and I met someone who has been bringing it in for me. So I normally, that's what I was telling you. If you not come, I was packaging the pimento because I ran out. Some people came through and bought what was on the shelf. So there is also the thyme.
Yeah, I'm going to need thyme for sure.
Right. And turmeric. And I also do the Jamaican curry powder. I was getting ready to do that one as well this morning.
I know. And I have something with curry. I don't know. I love curry. And so clearly I am a African with some minuscule other race inside of me where I can eat curry morning, noon. Really? Morning, noon, and night I do. Dianess loves curry. Everything she puts curry in. Well, almost everything.
Yes. So this is part of our Saturday Sinting where we offer farm fresh produce. So these
we have a chocho that?
Yes. Oops.
What? Oh, chocho.
Yeah, we had these on the weekend. I'll be putting in fresh ones, but we had these from the weekend. So
does Ghana do they have chocho in Ghana or this is straight Jamaican?
No, and it's all over Ghana now, you know.
Oh, really?
Because
Look at
a
that.
lot of the things,
Okay.
when I came here, a lot of these things were not available. But Jamaicans have been coming in and planting it and introducing it to the people. So
Awesome.
they don't have any other name for it apart from chocho. So
Okay.
obviously,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Yes, so that's it. Normally I also have pak choy and callaloo and spinach. What I do too is I get like other people like ourselves who plant what I call clean food.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they maybe plant it in their home as you know, as a and they have excess, then I take it from them. So we either barter or if it's money, we trade it that way. So I have things on a Saturday that is like a one-stop shop. You know, you come and you drink your soup and you take your wrap and we also actually just getting started on what we call nice cream.
Interesting.
Yes, nice cream. So nice cream is, of course, a natural ice cream, and it's not sugar sweetened at all. We use a little bit of honey or dates or natural fruits in it. So, and it's all plant-based, coconuts and so on. That's what we use to make it. Yeah.
Makeda, I like Fiwi. Thing?
Wi Sinting.
Fiwi Sinting. Right?
Yeah, it's
I like it.
yeah.
And I like the decor thus far. I like your flooring.
Yeah.
I like it.
Give thanks.
And you know I like you.
Give thanks.
So here what happened. You know the usual, guys. We're just starting, just getting started. So, you know, hold tight as the vlogs come through on Jamaica Village. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. God bless.